Hey everyone, how are y'all doing today? Hope you're having a delightful day. It is time to unbox! Yay! The Autumn FabFitFun box. If you have never seen FabFitFun before, it's like a lifestyle, beauty, fitness type subscription box. It comes quarterly, and the Autumn box is usually my favorite. Now, we do get to like pick items beforehand to go into your box, and I don't know if this is my very favorite box ever, and I was kind of surprised by it, to be honest, but I have not unpacked this box yet, so maybe I will like things better once I actually have them in my hands. Totally random, but I have to mention it. I am feeling this green eyeshadow today. I've been testing out my new Tiny Marvels palette, and I used these three shadows here for this look, and I'm very pleased with it. I love it. Anyway, that was completely random. So the tea of the day is one that I'm not sure I like. So it's called Ginger Up. It has ginger root, turmeric, and Chinese green tea, and it's from this brand called Reality Break, which is from Michigan, which is neat. The flavor of it though, I'm usually a fan of ginger, and I can tolerate this, but it's just not my ultimate favorite. All right, let us get in this. So I didn't have any add-ons this time. You do have the opportunity with the subscription to add on many items. Their add-on store every season is absolutely massive, but nothing was really calling me this time, which, you know, it's good for my wallet. So it was okay that I just got the box this time. So on the very top, there is the FabFitFun magazine that comes with tips and tricks of how to use the things in your box. Some stuff. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is this body wash from this brand that I don't know how to actually say it. Necessaire. It's so complicated. I don't know. Necessaire anyway. So I have heard this brand talked about so much for their body care. Whatever this is, the body wash is in the eucalyptus scent. So this is what the bottle looks like. Very simple, which I'm a fan of. Whoa, it's very eucalyptusy. It smells like cough drops. I don't know, that might be nice in the winter when I'm needing something to, I don't know, open up my sinuses. It's pretty intense, but I'm honestly really interested to try it. Again, it's a brand I hear people talk about all the time, and I don't know if the body wash is necessarily the thing that I would have tried first, but anyway, it was an option, so I decided to go for it. Ooh, this must be a free gift that just came in the boxes, because I certainly did not order any Lumified drops. I know a lot of people like these. I get kind of paranoid about using them. I've heard that if you use them too often, it's not good for your eyes, and so I just never use them. But I think this is the second time now in a subscription box I've gotten a sample of these Lumify drops, so I should finally just try them. But I don't really have trouble with my eyes being super red. I don't know, maybe if I try it, it'll make my eyes like really white and it will make me look super awake. I don't know. Have you guys tried these? What do you think? Oh, so this is kind of fun. So this is from a brand called Wish, which I usually actively avoid this brand because I have had a few things from them now that I really did not care for. But I thought I would give this product a try. This is the Rosehip and Lotus Mineral Milk Bath, which the idea of like a milk bath, I'm like, oh, that sounds really nice. I have no idea if it like foams up or anything. I really don't know. I'll be interested to try. I mean, I'm gonna see if I can get a decent sniff out of this here. I love baths. Oh, it smells nice. Yeah, that's gonna be really nice. I far prefer the kind of sweet floral scent of this to that eucalyptus scent of that body shower gel. Ooh, so this is something practical. These are wool dryer balls, which is something I already use, but they do disappear from time to time because of my dog. She is a border collie healer mix, and she loves balls, and she loves to get my dryer balls and shred them, which makes this giant mess. So I do try my best to keep them away from her, but every once in a while she gets one, so it's nice to have some replacement balls. This is from the brand To The Market, and they are ethically sourced and handmade in Nepal. I kind of like this little drawstring bag that they come in. I'm gonna save this for something. Don't know what for, but something. Anyone else save bags? I have like a stash of fun little bags. Okay, so that's the dryer ball. Okay. So I know this is silly, but okay, it smells like sheep, which to me is not a good thing because I don't want my laundry to smell like sheep. I have heard that you can put essential oils on these when you put them in your dryer, and that way it can kind of make your clothes smell nice without using a fabric softener. I might have to do that with these balls. I'm assuming that eventually they'll lose that sheep smell. But that's just really funny. I just wasn't really expecting them to smell so much like sheep, but it makes sense. Okay, so this I'm excited to try out. So this is from Vio. This is the personal air purifier. It removes up to 99% of airborne particulates, such as pollen, dust, and smoke. It's supposed to be super quiet with a replaceable filter and high efficiency. We live on gravel road. Our house is often quite dusty. We also have pets, so there's always like animal hair swirling through the air. And whenever we have people coming over with allergies, like I put all of our air purifiers on high. I like to try and really clean the air, so I don't mind having another air purifier. And I like how small this one is. A lot of ours are like the big heavy duty floor models. So this one can just go on like my daughter's bedside table. I hope it's as quiet as it's advertised to be. Next up, I did get a scarf. I feel like I get a scarf from FabFitFun every single year, but the thing is, I wear them. I live where it gets very, very cold in the winter time. I live in North Dakota, so it gets cold and windy. Let's open it up and see. Because generally FabFitFun does send really nice high quality scarves. Ooh, feels nice and soft. Ooh, 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 I love big scarves. Yes. Oh yes. I might just wear this in the house. Oh, that's lovely. It says gentlefawn.com, so that must be the brand name. What is this made of? 100% polyester. That's okay, I guess. Anyway, it says to hand wash, do not bleach. For something being 100% polyester, it just feels like it's got natural fibers in it. It's really nice and soft. And I like the cream and pink color. I will definitely get use out of this. Okay, so the last item in here is a duo. So it comes with a spongelle, which if you haven't seen these before, spongelle, I don't know how to pronounce this. These are body wash infused body scrubbers, which I've finally tried these. FabFitFun has had them for years. And this particular duo came with one in the scent of, oh, it's eucalyptus again. Eucalyptus Rain. I can tolerate this better than the other eucalyptus body wash, but yeah, that's just, I guess it's just not my favorite. But I remember in the category where we could choose item for this box, this particular category, I had a really hard time picking something because I didn't want any of it. So this was the thing I ended up with. But anyway, I will use it. So it came with the spongelle and then a Daily Concepts hand mitt. Whoa, I don't know. It's hammam mitt. I had never heard of such a thing. Ancient bathing ritual. Great for self-tanning preparation and removal. That means it must be nice and exfoliating. I do not self-tan, but you know, I'm definitely a fan of exfoliating. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be super exfoliating. It comes with a small little one and then a bigger one. So you put your hand in like there. Ooh, and go to town, I guess. Cool. Not super exciting, but it's still something that I will actually use. And that's it for my box. I feel like this scarf made it feel, you know, like a fall box to me. I'm kind of a fan. I love it. Did you get a FabFitFun box this season? If you did, what did you choose? There's so many options you can choose to put in your box. Like they keep expanding it. I feel like every season more and more things you can pick. So definitely let me know, what did you get in your box? Do you think it was worth it for the price this year? And if anyone has a review of this Necessaire brand, tell me why everyone loves it so much. I would like to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope again that you are enjoying the end of your summer. I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye guys.